Many over there, but places are still to be filled, for this is all your night. Hello, hello. So, I just want to share one experience of mine. As I was going through some quotes yesterday, I was going through the web, and I came across a catchy quote that said that it takes 4 years for a man to become an engineer, but for the entire lifetime, the engineer cannot become a man. So I thought that did the writer write this in an inebriated state, or was he out of the mind, or there was simply some kind of problem in the system. So I gave this question to my fellow HITians just to ponder upon it, think upon it, and I came to the conclusion that whether we really are becoming slaves of technology, are we being driven by technology, or technology is driving us? So I was just going through such kind of questions in my mind, some interruptions, some conflict within myself, and then again, I got to know the Tech Fest, we have the Prayukti, and we the HITians, we screw up engineering, we screw up technology. What do you say, guys? We screw up technology, and that was evident from the Tech Fest, and we from the HIT team convey our heartiest congratulations to the Prayukti team for doing such a wonderful job. Really, it was just an out-of-the-box thinking. So, finally, good evening to one and all. This is Sunny Chakravarti.
And Srisha Roy, your host for the show. How are you doing, guys? Good? Good, yeah? Well, now there's more reason to be good. You all know it, right? Riviera 2017 is all set to begin.
This evening is no ordinary evening. With a sunny day comes this evening of delight and festivity. An evening of celebration, an evening of rejuvenation, an evening of reconciliation, an evening of veneration of the divine. Yes, Riviera 17 is all set here for you.
Sunny April and Riviera. Couldn't imagine this, right? But rest assured, this time it's going to be even more amazing, grand, and majestic. The mercury level has notched up higher, but the excitement level, the sky is the limit.
We have been hard at work on a few things to get closer to you, to get closer to all of you, to get closer to all of you. This is the moment when HIT celebrates their success, aspirations, dreams, vigor, and vitality.
The moment when we love ourselves and celebrate our differences.
The moment we pride in being an integral part of the HIT family.
The moment
Hello.
The moment when we can proudly proclaim that we are no less when it comes to technological, academic, and moral achievements.
The moment when we assure that the needs of the depressed sections of the society are our first priority. So let no past hold you back. Let no future haunt your potential. Just drown in Riviera 17 and find yourself.
On behalf of the entire HIT team, we welcome you all to Riviera 2017.
thank you for that applause. And we expect you that you will regain your energy with every passing moment, right?
So now we move on to the formal inauguration.
No ceremony can be thought of without the blessings from the eminent dignitaries. These dignitaries represent the solid foundation of the society. We are indeed fortunate to have among us prominent, distinguished personalities from all walks of life to grace the occasion. Your love and affection for HIT can never be reciprocated. Love, and we know that love is eternal, right? So I take this opportunity to welcome the august presence of eminent dignitaries. May I have the privilege of welcoming our dignitaries on the stage and be presented with a flower bouquets and badges. Dr. Lakshman Seth, Honorable Chairman, HIT.
A huge round of applause, please.
A huge round of applause for Chairperson, who is an institution within himself, who is an institution in himself. Secretary, Haldia Institute of Technology, we welcome you, sir, and we would like to have you on stage as well. Mr. Sutipan Seth, board member, Haldia Institute of Technology. We would like to have your presence, sir, as well. Ever born.
We'd also like to have upon stage Professor M.N. Bandopadhyay, Director of Haldia Institute of Technology. Have on stage Professor M.N. Bandopadhyay, Director of HIT. Sorry, my bad. Professor A.K. Shaha, Principal of Haldia Institute of Technology.
Thank you, sir, for your august presence.
We'd also like to have upon stage Professor S.N. Bandopadhyay, Director, Haldia Institute of Management.
You are cordially welcome, sir.
To present them with flower bouquets.
Students, sir.
A huge round of applause for them, please.
Cheer up, guys.
Yeah, that sounds like HITians now.
Now they will be presented with badges.
Flowers are intricate. Flowers are delicate. They are beautiful. They make our prayers sublime. May I now request the dignitaries to float the flowers in a water and let they continue to spread love and positivity. Now we are going to begin the show with an inaugural song presented by the students of HIT, Shunanda De, Shovik Shekhar, Proshun Mondol, Orthi Dotto, Pallavi Borori, Ragini Chakraborty, and Saurabh Dev Sharma.
सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् गमय तमस्योम ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय शान्ति शान्तियो 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 हरि ओम तत्सत् शान्तियो हरि ओम तत्सत् देखो आलोय आलो आकाश देखो आकाश ताराয় ভরা দেখো যাওয়ার পথের পাশে ছোটে হাওয়া পাগল পাড়া এত আনন্দ আয়োজন সবই বৃথা আমায় ছাড়া
থাকো আমার মুঠো দুই চোখে থাকুক ধারা এলো সময় রাজার মতো হলো কাজে হিসেব সারা
ওই মহাসিন্ধুর পার থেকে কি সঙ্গীত ভেসে আসে ওই মহাসিন্ধুর পার থেকে কি সঙ্গীত ভেসে আসে
বলে আয় রে ছুটে আয় রে তোরা হেথা নাই কো মৃত্যু নাই কো জরা तमसो ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्युर्मामृतं गमय शान्ति 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 हरि ओम तत्सत् शान्ति शान्ति हरि ओम तत्सत् थैंक यू
And I personally found heaven on earth. Am I right?
Now I am going to request our chairman, sir, to say a few words on this auspicious occasion and finally declare Riviera 2017 open.
Director HIT, Principal HIT, Director HIM, and my dear students. Yes, we have decided to perform the cultural program. It is the program of mainly the students. The cultural program, I think, will give a good moral lesson to all of you. Festival is the festival of love among ourselves. In Bengali poem, I like to recite very small form. Pritiyo premer punno bandhane jobe mili paraspore স্বর্গ আসিয়া দাঁড়ায় তখন আমাদের কুড়ে ঘরে. The main themes of these poems is that if we can unite us through love, we can bring down the earth, heaven in the earth. Sri Krishna and Radhika, the love among themselves, is a symbol of our country. Love can conquer the world. It is more powerful than the weapons. But the love has a twofold ideas. One, the platonic love, and there is a biological love. The platonic love, it is very difficult to practice. But I think violence, vulgarism certainly will spoil our brain, spoil the brain of the students and also general persons. So now you have to inculcate the platonic love. Love is a strong weapon to win over everyone, which can unite everyone. Unity is very much necessity for the maintaining tranquility and peace, heavenly peace in the earth. So I would request that you will be overwhelmed with this cultural program. I have heard that today's Rabindra Sangeet will be performed by the two very much eminent singers. Some of you may not understand the Bengali song, but I think throughout the world there may be so many languages. Song can be sung in so many languages, but the inner meaning, it can be easily understood. If you have to give a patience to understand. Rabindra Sangeet is a very unique one. Every occasion it can be sung, and also from the birth of the baby up to the death of the man, the Rabindra Sangeet is very much relevant. I have been told by the event management that today two prominent and eminent singers will sing Rabindra Sangeet, sometime in Bengali, also in Hindi. So I think I will up to that. I will wait up to that. But when the band will start, there will be so huge sound, I may not hear and tolerate. Tomorrow I think there is also program which student will have to give the opportunity to dance and also but to enjoy. So tomorrow I will not remain present because it is the program of the students. I have a certainly confidence on my students that they will not create any problem which college will suffer. Certainly, you will do that nicely. I am not going to prolong this program. However, I declare this cultural program, Riviera, declared opened. Thank you.
Inspiring. So this was the delight we had in store for you, right? So many more delights and surprises to go, provided you pay heed to what our chairman sir has said. Take it. Start.
Down and enjoy the show now. Thank you.
We are waiting for your instruction.
It's beginning. Keeping together is progress and working together is success. With this notion, we must try to make this gala event even more delightful and enjoyable. Here at HIT, we value our intellectual capital and nurture it as perfect blend of traditional and contemporary ways and means for the comprehensive development of the personality. So that every year the society at large is benefited and well-equipped professionals who can significantly contribute to the value creation.
So, HITians, I hope you've already made a sneak peek into the schedule of these nights. Nevertheless, we can assure you that you are not going to get bored even by this much for these nights. So, I hope
This is, and we can screw up everything. Nothing can have much power. This is all our success story, our achievement and aspirations. So these crackers are the significance of our aspirations, our power and potential, which we need to find within our...
I hope you have all saved your energy for these nights because Riviera 2K17 na milegi dobara.
Rivera 2K17 is not going to come again because 2K17 is 1 year. I'm not interrupting so that you can witness this gala event.
And very graceful dancers. Let us welcome them on stage with a big round of applause.
Very big round of applause.
आँखों की मस्ती आ अफसाने हजारों में, अफसाने हजारों में, इन आँखों की मस्ती के।
The club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. And you come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room. And now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. Well, I'm in love with your body. 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 Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. सर्वांगी सुंदर उदिशेंदुराची कंठी झळके माळ मुक्ता फळांची जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती हो श्री मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती जय देव जय देव
लंबोदर तू विनायका तू वल्लोळेश्वर मोरया विघ्नेश्वर तू एकदंत तू मयूरेश्वरा मोरया लंबोदर तू विनायका तू वल्लोळेश्वर मोरया विघ्नेश्वर तू एकदंत तू मयूरेश्वरा मोरया वक्रतुंड तू गजमुखा तू सिद्धी विनायका
समझ में नहीं आया ठीक से अच्छा so guys we have already stepped inside Rivera 2K17 can we hear it from the audience so Rukhsar the event that happened just now the classical dance that was really beautiful right
You can go on and on about it.
seriously that like we did understand that no matter how trendy we do something we have to start it with something cultural, something traditional, something down to the
But
roots.
tell me one thing, Mitrajit. You're going so on and on about it. Can you do at least one step of that dances that just happened? Just one step. Come on. Guys,
can't.
give it up for Mitrajit! Woo!
Dude, I don't
Mitro,
dance.
one step. Come on,
I
man.
don't dance.
Just one step. Come on.
I can try doing that one hand bending step that she did. She
Yes,
did
do it, do
something
it,
like
do
this
it.
and then she went like this.
That was a mannequin, Mitro. That's not dance.
At least that was something.
That is not dance. Come on, you can do it much, much better.
Oh, please. Please don't embarrass me. Trust me, if I go on with this dance, they're going to contract cancer in their eyes. By the way,
All right.
let's like move on. All this traditional, I know this has put down all the party heads. Like थोड़ा off हो गया ना? मतलब culture से start हुआ हम लोग. कोई बात नहीं guys.
जरा भी ऑफ नहीं हुए चिल्लाना देख रहे हो उन लोगों का कि तुम कुछ भी बोलो
थोड़ा
चिल्ला
लग
रहे
रहा है. चिल्लाओ. और थोड़ा जोर से.
Look at the energy, man.
HIT मतलब तुम कभी निराश नहीं करते हो भाई लोग. Guys, so after this, these same dancers and a lot more are going to come up stage and do something phenomenal. ये लोगों ने आज से 60s तक का सारा बॉलीवुड गाना उठा लिया है. जो गाना लिया है ना, क्या बताया तुमको.
I know, I have heard them. इतने
देखना-
अच्छे गाने हैं. मतलब तुमने तानसेन को सुना है? तानसेन?
तानसेन को हम कैसे सुनेंगे यार, वो तो कब का गुजर गए. लाइक
कमान यार, आज के जमाने में ऐसा बोलोगे. YouTube है.
YouTube में तानसेन प्ले कर रहा है, ऐसा लाइव वीडियो है.
कमान मैन.
कहाँ से मिल गया यार.
तानसेन का वो बात सुना है. हंसना बंद करो तुम टॉपिक डाइवर्ट ना करो. तानसेन का वो बात सुना है. तानसेन जब अपना तानपुरा बजाते थे तो दिया जल जाता था.
ये कब हुआ, मतलब कहाँ केमिकल रिएक्शन कहाँ गया यार, क्यों पढ़े साइंस से हम लोग.
दिया जलता था. कम ऑन, यू डोंट नो एनीथिंग.
अच्छा नहीं जानते, हिस्ट्री में बहुत वीक थे. 300 में 35 मिला था.
अच्छा, जो हमारे जो नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मेंस है उनके बारे में बात करो.
अच्छा हाँ, उनके बारे में. हम हर एक रिहर्सल में गए, क्या लाजवाब डांस किया है. मतलब सिर्फ इंडिया में नहीं रहे वो लोग, माइकल जैक्सन से बाहर तक हर किसी को उठा के लेके आए. क्या फारू परफॉर्मेंस करे वो लोग. ट्रस्ट मी, देखा ना, सेट द स्टेज ऑन फायर.
तुम रिहर्सल में क्या करने गए थे?
रिहर्सल में
तुम रिहर्सल में तुम तो प्रयुक्ति में कोऑर्डिनेटर हो. इसमें बहुत बड़ा सारा काम. जब देखो मित्रजीत को यहाँ से वहाँ भाग रहा है, बस पसीने में लथपथ. और जिससे पूछो मित्रो क्या काम कर रहा है, कुछ नहीं, घंटा बस घूम रहा है इधर से उधर.
अच्छा घंटा, ठीक है.
तुमको मैं देख रही हूँ, तुम बस घूम रहे हो, ताड़ रहे हो सबको.
क्यों क्यों क्यों. अरे अभी अभी तो घर बसाया है भाई, अभी तोड़ दोगे तुम.
बस 2 महीने बाकी हैं. सीधी नजर उसी पे रखना, कहीं घुमाना मत.
अब क्या करें, हम नजर तो रखने का कोशिश कर रहे हैं, लेकिन इधर उधर चला. मतलब इतना सारा लोग मुझको देख रहे हैं, हमको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि मतलब किसको देखे.
देख लो, उसमें से अब टमाटर पड़ने वाले हैं तुम्हारे ऊपर. होगी शायद, इसी में से होगी, आई एम श्योर. तुम्हारा परफॉर्मेंस मिस तो नहीं करेगी.
वहाँ पे लड़के लोग हैं, सोच समझ के बात करो. यहाँ पे लड़के, हम देख लिए सब कुछ यार.
तुम सब मुआयना करके उठे हो नहीं?
ऑब्वियसली, क्या थोड़ी रिवर का कोऑर्डिनेटर हूँ, देखना पड़ता है ना हर कोई ठीक ठाक है कि नहीं.
ओके ऑलराइट, लेट्स कैरी ऑन.
अब चलो, बहुत सारा बातें हो गए. आई लाइक टू कॉल अपॉन स्टेज द नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मेंस. ऑब्वियसली दे आर ऑल्सो फ्रॉम इन हाउस, but trust me guys, call the fire brigades, call the ambulance, because they're gonna rock this stage, I'm telling you.
So ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the boys and girls for the in-house performance team. Hit it guys.
चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को, नजर नहीं चुराना सनम. बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी, कहीं बदल न जाना सनम. ले लिया दिल, ओ मेरा दिल, हाय दिल लेकर मुझको ना बहलाना. बाहर बन के आऊं कभी तुम्हारी दुनिया में, गुजर न जाए ये दिन कहीं सी तमन्ना में। तुम मेरे हो तुम मेरे हो, आज तुम इतना वादा करते जाना चुरा लिया।
हमने
ना गोरिया चुराना मेरा जिया गोरिया चुराना मेरा जिया। लोकप्रिय गीत ये सलाम ले जाता हुआ उड़न खटोला और बीन बजाती हुई नागिन।
Shake your body, girl.
तेरा जिससे पड़ गया पाला अच्छे को गलत कर डाला तेरा नहीं तेरा कोई दोष तेरा हुस्न ही जबरदस्त दस्त तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त
मैं चीज बड़ी हूँ मस्त।
अरे बहुत अच्छा लगा।
वो लोग चिल्लाएगा वो लोग।
Tu souris comme un succès, je suis folle à toi. Le désir dans mes veines, guidé par ta voix. Tu souris comme un succès, je suis folle à toi.
नशे सी चढ़ गई ओए कुड़ी नशे सी चढ़ गई पतंग सी लड़ गई ओए कुड़ी पतंग सी लड़ गई नशे सी चढ़ गई ओए कुड़ी नशे सी चढ़ गई पतंग सी लड़ गई ओए कुड़ी पतंग सी लड़ गई ऐसे खींचे दिल के पेचे गले ही पड़ गए ओए नशे सी चढ़ गई ओए कुड़ी नशे सी चढ़ गई पतंग सी लड़ गई ओए कुड़ी पतंग सी लड़ गई उड़ती पतंग जैसे मस्त मलंग जैसे मस्त सी चढ़ गई हमको तुरंत ऐसे लगती करंट जैसे निकला वारंट जैसे अभी अभी उतरा होने से टोरेंट जैसे नशे सी चढ़ गई ओए कुड़ी नशे सी चढ़ गई पतंग सी लड़ गई ओए कुड़ी पतंग सी लड़ गई नशे सी चढ़ गई ओए कुड़ी नशे सी चढ़ गई।
Yeah, the Meat Bros, Jazz Tommy, and you wanna sing oh? Ikke dhumke pe saat taaliyan, hille jab lak tera hillti hai baaliyan, ek dhumke पे सौ तालियां हिले जब लक मेरा हिलती है बालियां एक ढमके पे सौ तालियां हिले जब लक तेरा हिलती है बालियां 24 घंटे मुंडे रहंदे मेरे आगे पीछे किसी को मेरा शौक है, किसी को मेरा है नशा। जवानी कहते हैं मुझे, है मेरे आशिक हर जगह। किसी को मेरी हसरत, किसी की मैं हूँ दिलरुबा। मुझे पाने के वास्ते मांगे दुआ। सारा ज़माना हसीनों का दीवाना, तुम्हारा गए पे क्यों बुरा है दिल लगाना। सारा ज़माना हसीनों का दीवाना, तुम्हारा गए पे क्यों बुरा है दिल लगाना। सारा ज़माना
The way she came into the place, I knew right then and there. There was something different about this girl. The way she moved, her hair, her face, her lines, divinity in motion. As she stalked the room, I could feel the aura of her presence. Every head turned, feeling passion and lust. The girl was persuasive, the girl I could not trust. The girl was bad. The girl was dangerous. She came at me in sections with the eye of desire. I felt trapped.
बताना, खाली हाथ आए थे हम, खाली हाथ जाएंगे, बस प्यार के दो मीठे बोल झिलमिलाएंगे। तो हंस क्योंकि दुनिया को है हंसाना, है मेरे दिल तू आए जा, आए आओ, है मेरे दिल तू आए जा, आए आओ,